Meet Nick, struggling to create a Salesforce CPQ code. While navigating Salesforce, he always have two questions in mind. Did I take a wrong turn? Is it the right step to take? While struggling to get these answers, he always end up creating a support case for it. But what if he has a GPS on Salesforce? Introducing Pando and Salesforce Managed Package, which can be a coach inside Salesforce. Pando provides a in-moment guidance to the snake so that he will know what to do, when to do, and how to do it right. Pando provide a smooth transition between stages by step guidance so that Nick know what to do next and what to create or what kind of field data he has to put to move to the next stage, and he will learn how to do it while doing it. After completing all the steps provided to the walkthrough, he can also provide a feedback so that Pendo can upgrade himself as the business is evolving. So no more guesswork, no more messy documentation. All you need is Pendo, your own GPS for Salesforce. Thank you.